Are you tired of the hassle of going to a locksmith or dealership every time you need a key fob replacement? Say goodbye to that inconvenience with our keyless entry remote replacement kit. This innovative solution offers an excellent replacement for your lost or damaged key fob, saving you time and money. With easy DIY installation, you can pair and program your new fob in less than 5 minutes using the included OBD2 programmer. No expensive dealership programming required. Designed to be compatible with various Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep models, our replacement kit ensures a seamless fit and functionality. Whether you drive a Chrysler 300, Dodge Challenger, or Jeep Grand Cherokee, this kit has got you covered. Plus, with interchangeable 5 and 7 button keypads and an optional remote start button, you can match the features of your original fob with ease. One of the standout features of our replacement kit is its practicality and user-friendliness. You can program up to 8 key fobs for a single vehicle, making it perfect for families or multiple drivers. And with the assurance that you only need one of your original keys to start the engine and install, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your vehicle's security is not compromised. So why waste time and effort with traditional key makers or dealerships when you can have a fast, affordable, and efficient solution right at your fingertips? Upgrade to our keyless entry remote replacement kit today and experience the convenience of key fob replacement like never before. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.